Okay guys, ever wanted a fully customizable professional footer for your store, complete with logo, menus, and payment icons? Well, this section gives you total control over every single detail. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the heading. There's a layout option with 3 different styles to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, you'll find width and spacing settings. Toggle on the full width button if you'd like. I'm going through everything based on what fits my own section, but you can adjust it however you like. Here you can set the content width, padding top and bottom for desktop, padding left and right for desktop, and padding for all sides on mobile. Customize each of these as needed. Below that comes the color settings. Background color, accent or card color for layout 3, heading color, text color, and divider or border color, all fully customizable. I won't be changing any of these myself since they already work well for my section. Now let's move on to the logo settings. Add your logo image here, and right below that, adjust the logo width for both desktop and mobile. Next up is heading typography. Toggle on Use Custom Font, and you can also adjust the font size settings. After that, you can add a heading for each column, and below each one, add your menu links. You can also add an email and phone number along with your copyright text. Right below that, you can customize your payment icons based on your own preference, and there are more color options at the bottom too. Once you've adjusted everything the way you like, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.